Hello and welcome to my channel Like Down South, where we teach you how to garden in urban areas. Today we are preparing my raised planter. This planter was given to me by a friend on Mother's Day and it's absolutely perfect for my tiny balcony. As you can see, my balcony is maybe 12 square feet with a drain in the floor, which is important for water runoff. This planter has 3 tiers that are offset to allow for growth, sun exposure, and storage. When I received the planter, 2 of the beds already had soil in them. The soil that came with the planter was not of great quality. It had all types of stuff in it. Other plants, weeds, rocks, sticks. It just needed to be replaced. I also added these Christmas lights to give a bit of ambiance at night. This is the year of COVID-19. We are under deep quarantine in my city, and luckily I was able to have soil and rocks delivered to me. At the bottom of each planter bed, there are holes drilled into the bottom for excess water runoff. However, I still ordered a rock and bark substrate to increase the soil drainage if I happen to overwater it. I put 1 to 2 inches of this mixture into each bed, spread it out evenly. Next, you want to add enough soil to fill the bed 1 to 2 inches from the top. Make sure that you don't pack the soil down, just spread it out. Make sure that you get into all of the corners and don't water it yet. Let's look at the soil quality. The older soil has a lot of plant debris and a dull appearance. It's spent. It's time to get rid of this. There are also other unknown plants growing in it. This soil could be reused with the addition of compost and fertilizers, and even if you wanted to condition the soil, you can do that with home remedies. But for me, it was easier and cheaper to just replace it. This is also a great time to use any leftover soil to replant any houseplants that you may have. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. For more information on soil types, visit our website at www.likedownsouth.com. Read the articles on the best type of soil. To find out which plants we are planting in the soil, check out our next video, Planting Our Balcony Oasis. All right, have a great planting experience. If you have any questions, be sure to email us. Ciao.